So see here and all, no, here we have only one link between computer to switch to computer, and we have only 100 Mbps bandwidth or speed. Okay, if I want to increase the speed between two switches, okay, if I want to increase the speed between two switches to 200 Mbps, what I will do, I have to connect two cables in parallel. Each one will have 100 Mbps connection. But problem, as we discussed in the previous chapter, when you are connecting two cables parallelly, there will be a loop formed. Okay, and what happens? No, the spanning tree protocol, it will avoid the loops by blocking one port and forwarding or make another port in forward mode. Okay, so whenever you are connecting this two links parallelly, usually the problem is spanning tree protocol, no, they will avoid loop by making one port block. Okay, and the solution is ether channel. Okay, so what we do is we will do ether channel or link aggregate. Link aggregate means, aggregation means sum, okay, collective. So we take two physical links into a single logical link, okay, or a port channel. We take two physical links, see fa 0 bar 4 0 bar 5 connected between switch 0 to switch 1. We are taking these two links and making it as a single logical link or port channel, so that we can send the data with double the bandwidth speed and without affecting the spanning tree protocol, without being affected by spanning tree protocol. Okay, see here, link aggregation technology. Link means, you know, the link cables. Aggregation means sum or group. Okay, allows redundant links. So we have redundant links between the devices, but will not be blocked by STP. Usually STP will block this which one, duplicate links or redundant links, but here STP will not block because we configure the ether channel concept. Okay, so see here again, uh, multiple links connected between devices to increase bandwidth. Okay, I have two links connected between S1 S2 and will they increase the bandwidth? No, one link is 100 Mbps, then we have two links means 200 Mbps. Okay, and STP also enabled, but here in this case it will not block the redundancy. Okay, so because we configure ether channel. Okay, so a link aggregation technology needed which allow redundant links between devices that will not be blocked by STP. Usually STP will block the duplicate ports and make loop free topology, but here STP will not block the ports because I am using ether channel. Ether channel concept means two physical link combined to form a single logical link or port channel, and they will have double the bandwidth. Okay, see, ether channel is a link aggregation technology that group multiple physical ethernet links together into single logical link. See here, I have two physical link. I will combine this into a single logical link or port channel. Okay, two physical link which I can see 1 and 2. I combine, aggregate any combine or group or sum into a single logical channel or single port channel. Okay, this is ether channel. Who developed this? Cisco. Okay, why do we need this? One reason, redundancy. Another reason is bandwidth will be increased. Okay, we can even group fast ethernet or giga ethernet ports. Okay, then advantages is like it relies on existing switch port. I don't want to add any special feature for the port. You can use the same existing ports. Okay, and it creates an aggregation as a single logical link. So as I told you, know, two physical link combined to forms one port channel or single logical link. It provides redundancy. We have two links now. One link is down, you can use another link. Okay, and see, maximum 8 compatible configured ethernet ports are there and total 800 Mbps in fast ethernet. So if I am using fast ethernet port, right, so cable means one is 100 Mbps, so 8 means 800 Mbps. If I use gigabit ethernet, one is 1 Gbps bandwidth. If I have 8 cables, no, 8 Gbps. And Cisco 2960 switch supports only 6 ether channels. Okay, the ether channel can be created by using two protocols: PAGP, port aggregation protocol, LACP, link aggregation protocol. What is the difference is, this is Cisco proprietary protocol. This is used for open standard, any standard they can use. Okay, so PAGP Cisco proprietary protocol, or Cisco developed this one, used for Cisco device only. Open standard 802.380, it can use any device, any network device. Okay, not only Cisco, you can use in Huawei, like that. Okay, then PAGP packets are sent for every 30 seconds for negotiation. Okay, so here no negotiation happens, so one link has to ask other one whether you are ready to form the ether channel. So this is negotiation, right? So for that, PAGP packets are sent for every 30 seconds. Here automatic negotiation. Okay, and here the operating modes are on, desirable, auto. So both sides of the link, no, they should be either on, desirable, or auto. LACP operating modes, the both side of the link should be on, active, or passive. Okay, we'll see that modes. Okay, so the modes for PAGP as follows. On means both side of the ether channel, the both ports are on. On means no negotiation, there is no PAGP packet sent. Immediately this mode forces two switches to be in ether channel. Okay, PAGP desirable means this is a active negotiating state. So this switch where I configure PAGP desirable, they will initiate negotiation with other switch port. Okay, so example, I have two switches here. Let me check the T. If I have PAGP configured in the, or which one, first mode, any on mode means both port should be on. Of both switches will have two ports, right? Each port should be on means immediately they will make the ether channel, no need of negotiation. Second mode is, well, the second mode, desirable mode means one switch will active negotiation. Okay, so this switch will active negotiate, yani they will send a PAGP packet, wait for the reply from this S2. So he is the one who takes the initiative. I will take the lead. I will ask other guy whether you are ready for the PAGP, say yes or no. Okay, this switch has to reply now. So that is auto mode. Auto mode means in this mode I will just reply. This is passive negotiation. Passive negotiation means he will respond. So here this guy will respond, yes, I am ready for the negotiation. He cannot ask. Okay, he can only negotiate. So these are three modes. Okay, so S1 S2 both are on means channel established, the channel established, yes. On, one side is on, other side is desirable or auto, no ether channel configured. Desirable, desirable, both are desirable, both can negotiate any, yes, ether channel created. Desirable one side, other side auto, yes. Okay, desirable is I am asking you negotiation, this is I am supporting you, auto. So okay, yes, ether channel configured. Then another one, auto desirable, yes, also possible. Auto, auto, no, because anybody has to take the lead, right? Anybody. Auto means I am not going to take any lead, I will reply for, if any you are requesting for either channel, I will reply yes or no. But here both are auto means they cannot create either channel. So this case either channel is not created. Okay, understood this one? If I ask you, both side has to negotiate means desirable, desirable. If one side negotiate, other side reply means desirable, auto. Okay, no negotiation, immediately create ether channel in PAGP means on, on. Okay, LACP, it's for 802.3 AD, it's for every, not only Cisco, every other like Huawei or any other standard device you can use. Okay, three modes: on, active, passive. As you discussed earlier in the PAGP, on means no negotiation, no LACP package, just immediately force ether channel, create ether channel on both sides. If you have two switches, two ports are on means they are in ether channel automatically, no need of any negotiation. LACP active means here this switch port which is configured as active, they will make active negotiation. Active negotiation, yani they will ask the other port whether you are ready for the LACP. Then the other port should reply. They have to configure by passive. Passive means they will reply, yes, I am ready. This is passive. Okay, here also we have on, yes, on, active, passive, no, active, active, yes, active, passive, yes, passive, active, yes, passive, passive, both are passive means both are passive negotiation means no, ether channel not possible. Okay, this is the configuration. So now we'll discuss about the ether channel requirements for our project. So we have a table here, I put for your reference. So we need three ether channel settings here. So S2 to S4, between switches S2 to S4, I need PAGP. Both should be negotiating mode, and the port channel number I need one, and the ports I choose between S2 S4 for PAGP is FA0 bar 21 and 22, and the command should be desirable on both switches. And if anyone is not negotiating, then it will be desirable and auto. But in our case, it's both negotiate. That means they have to be in desirable mode. So first we will do this part. I'll go for this topology between S2 S4. I will choose this which one, head office switch S2 S4. Okay, already we have one cable is there, right? So what I will do, I'll go for this one, 21 22, right? So 21, this one, then 22 also we have, 22 also have. Okay, put 21 22 in between this one. Then I'm going to configure ether channel. So first I'll bypass the passwords because I don't remember the passwords. So the command is interface range fa0 slash 21 to 22. Then what is the mode we need? We need desirable, right? So the channel group 1 desirable, channel group 1. Let me, there is one command is there, mode desirable. Okay, done. Exit. Then port channel number 1, port channel number 1, switch port mode trunk. This I did in S2. Same I have to do in S4. So go to S4 here, enable, configure, interface range fa0 slash 21 22, channel group, channel group 1, same mode desirable. Exit. Then interface same port channel number 1, port channel 1, switch port mode trunk, no shut. Okay, this is done. Now let me fast forward. Now you can check that settings or show commands to check whether the channel is being made or not. Go for show ether channel summary. See here, in use POA1, PON, protocol is PAGP, and the port numbers are 21 22. Both are now active. Now go for next one is S2 S5 LACP, both negotiate. We already discussed about the theory part of LACP and PAGP, just I am not repeating here. And the port channel we need 2, and the port numbers 23 24, FA0 bar 23 24. They are active on both switches because both negotiate. If any one is not negotiating, means it will be active and passive. Okay, so S2 S5, S2 to S5. What is the port number? 23 24, right? So I'll go for S2 first. Configure space T, interface range FA0 slash 23 24, channel group 2 mode active. Exit. Then interface port channel 2, switch port mode trunk, no shut also, it's not activated but still. Now go for S5, enable, configure space T, interface range FA0 slash 23 24 24, channel group two mode, both are negotiating, so active active. Exit, then interface port channel 2, switch port mode trunk, no shut. Fast forward this one. I didn't connect the cable. Okay, so first you have to connect the cable. Before that I started, so I'll connect 20 to 24. Just I will connect, go for this crossover 23 to 23 to 23, then 24 to 24. Let's wait for the ports to get activated. So we have done LACP and PAGP between S2 S4 and S2 S5. Now see the ports are being green. Now we can check in S2 what the status of that port channel, ether channel we configured. So it takes some time. So just wait for a few seconds. Now it is up, but still we need to get that change the cursor to that symbol to cursor now. Just waiting for that. Just few more seconds. After that, we'll go for configuring another ether channel between S4 to S5. Meantime, you can do the same configuration in other switches in head office. Sorry, branch office. I mean, we did in head office, right? We can do the same in branch office also. So just I will show you in head office. You can do the same in branch office. You can do either between access switches or core switches. That's your wish. I just did between access switches. Okay, access to distribution switch. But even you can do for core to distribution also. You can do that. So first I will go open that switch. It's coming up. Show, show, run. We put 23 24, right? So let me check why it is red color. Let me check 23 24, 23 24. What about here? It's coming up now. No shut. Show run. 23 24 I have given. 23 24 active. Okay. Here also same, right? Here also is active. Now let me check that ether channel summary. Show ether channel summary. Port channel 2 SU. Okay. PP is done. Now that amber will change. Okay, that will take some time. We'll just fast forward and it will change to be later. Now between S4 and S5 we need to configure another ether channel. Again PAGP. Let me check PAGP. Yes, so both negotiate. Port channel number 3. Ports are giga 0 bar 1 to 2. Desirable on both sides. If any one side negotiate, not both. If anyone is negotiated means desirable and auto. The modes that you can check here. Here I am going to connect G0 bar 1 and 2. Okay, so G0 bar 1. See that amber symbol now becomes green later on. Okay, G0 amber color ports will become green. So this one G0 bar 1, G0 bar 2. Now I'll go for PAGP here. No, so go here, exit, interface, range, giga 0 slash 1 to 2, uh, channel group 3 mode
desirable, exit, interface port channel number 3, switch port mode trunk, no shut. Do the same in other side, configuration space, configure space T, interface range G 0/1 to 2, channel group 3 mode desirable, exit, interface port channel 3, switch port mode trunk, no shut, done. Now once it is which one, we give a loop like structure that maybe sometimes will take some time to activate, okay, because of spanning tree protocol, no, it takes some time, so waiting for that which one links to get green. So here we have configured three ether channel settings, one PAGP between S2 S4, then S4 to S5 again with which one PAGP, and S2 to S5 we have configured LACP. Okay, now like we discussed, no, we discussed, right, show ether channel summary will show you the ether channel config. If any one of the link gone down, still we can use other link. That's the use of ether channel that we already discussed. Okay, this is how ether channel configured. I didn't have done in head office. You can do the same in branch office also. Class, bye.